You
Because
understand the Amharic language?
I have to marry in the future. I have to marry Ethiopian wife.
Amharic.
So I have to Akam Nagum.
Akam Naguma Oromic language.
No, Oromic. Yes. So how do I get these? I want to be special doctor too for women. How can I get the certificate?
Certificate?
Yes. How can I get the certificate? I want to be special doctor for women too.
Listen. Wait.
Guys, everybody, we need 100 and it's triple, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. It's triple. Guinea Gummies, thank you so much, man. Captain, thank you so much.
Listen.
Weigh-in my certificate is not just your question, but everyone's question.
Emily, thank you so much, Emily. Thank you so much.
You understand?
I understand, but I say
Weigh-in my certificate is not just your question, but everyone's question.
What do you do to them? You put them like this?
You
put them like this? Huh? Guys, 9 roses, guys. Everybody, let's go. Double tap on the screen. Good games. Thank you so much. Maxwell, thank you. Captain, thank you so much. Roses, guys.
Run!
Roses, guys. Let's go. Let's go, man. Africa, thank you so much. Mahad, one more to go, guys. One more. Tell your people to get ready. Okay, thank you so much. Red Sea, thank you. Tell your people to get ready because my people, they are coming.
Listen.
We need to eat triple, guys. Let's go.
Ask me for a certificate and punish soy legally.
What? Guys, let's go. It's triple, man. It's triple, everybody. Let's go. It's triple, guys. Everybody, let's go, guys. Everybody.
Triple.
Thank you so much. Everybody, let's go, guys. Let's go.
Triple.
Let's go, guys.
Triple.
No, you know.
Triple. Sadin. Triple.
Who is Vicky?
Triple.
Asilii, who is Vicky?
I don't know.
Why
Triple,
is it
Abdul, thank you so much. Abdul, thank you. Come. Aywa. Give up. Keranso. Habibi.
Why is he coming to my life and telling me so? Tina, thank you so much for the roses. Why is Vicky coming to my life and telling me?
Garma Mutola, Keranso, Abdi, thank you. Nabi.
Yes.
Follow back me.
Follow back you?
Yeah. Because I am international, original, big, the one of Ethiopian doctor, okay?
What do you do to what do you do to those people? Why? What?
Follow back me and tell me Gabba. English.
What?
Follow back me.
Hey, you see Big Boss come inside now.
Follow back me. If you not follow back me.
Big Boss come inside. Big Boss come inside. Big Boss he make you like this. You don't know Big Boss. Big Boss. This one tell me I'm small. Do you know?
No, it's small. You show me. See your score. See my score.
Do you know who is Big Boss?
No. Dufan.
Do you know who is Big Boss? Do you know who is Big Boss? I told you, I asked you again. Who do you know who is Big Boss? Do you know who is Big Boss? Huh?
You know, you small.
Listen, you call me small.
You small. Paranji uffatti kade darbaad.
You call me small. Do you know who is Big Boss? Huh? You don't know. Now, let me tell you one thing. You told me that I'm small because you were winning. I was telling you that my people, they were just enjoying. They just but when my people come, huh? Now, as far as I have Big Boss in the house, you will not win one.
What?
You will not win one. I told you before. You think I was joking? Because you got 5,000 points, you calling me small. You call me small. Small.
Family, please stop. Share.
Big Boss. Big Boss is the president of.
Please, family. Double tap. Moye agar disu kab. Go.
Thank you so much. Gamis, thank you so much, Big Boss. God bless you, man. God bless you, brother. I appreciate. Gamis, everybody that tapped the screen, thank you so much. Big up to you, man. Big up to you. Yes, Emily, thank you so much. Emily, God bless you. Now, let me tell you one thing. Okay? Next time.
This round, I win, inshallah.
Punishment?
Okay.
Okay, 3 punishment. You give me 3 punishment, I choose 1. Okay?
The first punishment.
Okay?
Open Oromo music, Ethiopian Oromic music, open dance.
No problem. You give me 3 punishment, I choose 1.
The second,
The second?
Colgate, this hair.
Hey. Okay.
Hey.
The third. Okay, what is the third?
The third,
Yes.
go out on the road like this.
I make like
like
Yes, we need 17 roses, guys. We need 17 roses. Maxwell, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But we have to win above 5,000 points, right?
Family,
Africa, thank you so much. We have to win above 5,000 points, right?
please. Please, Varanjina Rakawa. Family. Maluma Baki
Above 5,000 points. Hello. Above 5,000 points.
Yeah,
Right?
right.
Okay, no problem. Sorry. You see, do you know who is my wife?
Where is your wife?
My wife is in your chat. It's in your chat. Check.
Triple family. Family triple. Yo, triple family.
Take your chat. You see my wife. Okay?
Family triple. Commission only jire kita triple.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello.
I think he's not hearing me. Can you hear me? Huh? Hello?
Sorry. Yeah, I listen. Nagita yun. Yes, talk. Abo ilmo kawacho ya gidan ilmo barsiman. Naragita yun niya. Kan, turjumana manakam na nute kaketa ni muti bada sarot.
What languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
Only one language.
Which is?
Oromic.
You don't speak Amharic?
No. Yes, sure.
I don't believe you.
You can't talking Amharic?
Finish.
Finish
Well-
bicha.
Finish. It depends. Like just some words, like some greetings. You know. That's all.
You listen Amharic?
Some words I understand. Yeah.
You
Because
understand the Amharic language?
I have to marry in the future. I have to marry Ethiopian wife.
Amharic.
So I have to Akam Nagum.
Akam Naguma Oromic language.
No, Oromic. Yes. So I have to understand. I have to learn Amharic because I want to marry Ethiopian wife. In the future, I will marry. My wife is Ethiopian. In the future. Milan.
Nabi!
Milan, thank you so much, Milan. Brother, thank you so much. Big up to you, Emily. Thank you so much. I appreciate. I want you to know who won?
Huh?
Who won?
To win.
I win, huh?
This is small score.
No problem. It's most call, but me, I win.
5,000.
Yes, no problem. I understand. No problem. I understand. Milan, the punishment match has to be up to 5,000 points. If not, there's no punishment. You don't know Milan. You don't know Milan. Look. I have someone here. His name is Milan, and I have someone again. Her name is Emily. She's Ethiopian as well. She's slapping you. Yeah, she's slapping you with gifts. Yes.
Amhara.
I don't know, but she's Ethiopian. I don't know where
His name is Amhara.com.
Huh? Amhara.com?
Oh, top 3.
Huh?
Top 3.
What did she say? They? No. Anyways, you are top 3 in Ethiopia now? You are the top 3 in Ethiopia now?
Ethiopian, yeah.
Okay. Emily. Thank you. Betama ma signal lo. Betama ma signal lo. Emily.
እቺት ከማን ኢትዮጵያዊ ናት። መበዳት ፈልጋ ነው ስጣት።
Guys, we need 17 roses, guys, from 17 different people. 17 different people, guys.
ነቱና ማራኩ ሸርሙጣቺ ከቺነቱ ማር እልል ከና
17 roses, guys.
ፋሚሊ እልል ከና ጎ ሮዝ ነሞ ጎ እንዴ በመን ያዱኛ ወጂ ተወዳይ ራይዝን እልል ጉታ በሬች ጉርተ ጉረ በሬ ማራኩ ችግር ተረቱ ማጅር ኪታቱ አባርት ብራ Family, please.
17 roses. Africano.
Wallahi.
Ivan, gracias, bro.
Go,
Wait,
family, go.
Emily, thank you so much. Kume.
Rose.
Gracias. Guys, let's go. 17, chicos. Vamos. 17. Milan. Emily.
Milan is small. Anta Bardu is small.
Milan is small.
In the Milan. Small.
I told you before, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing.
Please, okay?
You have triple, right? You have triple.
Triple, right? Right.
I don't have triple. But my people don't need triple.
You know me, small boy.
That's a big one.
You talk. If you talk something, give the go against the.
Hey, that's a big lion, no?
This family is lion.
Hey,
Qamshee hudduu kee qullaalaalu si jala ababaa deddeemtu kana akkana godha faamileen kiyya. That one. This is number 1 on the Africa and the world. አንደኛውና ብቸኛው ለሀገሩና ለህዝቡ 27 ዓመት የተማረ ጀግና ነው። Are you now? Are you crazy?
Number 1 in
Are you
what?
crazy, Napi?
Number 1 in what? Number 1 in what?
Number 1 and the top in the world. Everything.
In what? In what? In what?
Doctor.
Ah, doctor. Okay, no problem. I cannot argue you. I cannot argue you because I don't know. I don't know what you did. Number 1 in Africa.
Amora bubayaan ko magaling kung follow na ako agad na rakaw de bara mara chen na kara fayut.
This guy is calling himself number 1. Wait. I want to
up.
You're telling me shut up.
You want to see a lion, huh?
I told you I want to see at least 2 lions in one
2
game.
lion.
Not in triple. They gave it triple, so it becomes
This scored 3 lion. 3.